Complete details about Tampere University. Tampere University, located in the heart of Finland, is one of the most prestigious higher education institutions in the country. Established in 2019 through the merger of the University of Tampere and Tampere University of Technology, it has quickly gained recognition for its cutting-edge research, diverse academic programs, and strong international presence. The university is known for fostering innovation and providing high-quality education in an environment that supports both academic and personal growth. With a student-friendly atmosphere and a reputation for academic excellence, Tampere University is a great destination for students from all over the world. Tampere University offers a wide range of programs at the bachelor's, master's, and PhD levels across various fields. Some of the most popular master's programs taught in English include Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Machine Learning, Information Technology, Robotics and Automation in the Technology sector, as well as International Business and Leadership for Change in Business Studies. In the field of health and social sciences, students can opt for public and global health, biomedical sciences, and sustainable architecture. Humanities and media studies programs, such as Sustainable Digital Life and Media Studies, also attract many international students. These programs are designed to equip students with the latest knowledge and skills required in today's job market. Admission requirements. Admission to Tampere University requires students to meet specific criteria. For a master's program, applicants must hold a relevant bachelor's degree from a recognized institution. Additionally, they need to provide proof of English proficiency, typically through IELTS, TOEFL, or equivalent tests. Other important documents include a CV, a motivation letter, and possibly letters of recommendation depending on the program. Some programs may also require applicants to submit a portfolio or complete an entrance exam. As requirements may vary by program, it is essential to check the official university website for detailed information. How to apply. The application process for Tampere University is conducted entirely online through the official studyinfo.fi portal. Applicants must first select their desired program, carefully review the requirements, and gather all necessary documents. Once the application is submitted, the university reviews all applications, and students may be required to attend an online interview for some programs. If selected, students will receive an official admission offer, after which they must confirm their acceptance and proceed with any additional steps, such as applying for a residence permit if they are from outside the EU. When to apply. The application period for master's programs usually runs from December to January, with results announced in March or April. After receiving an admission letter, students must secure their residence permit if necessary and prepare for their move to Finland. Since the competition can be high for some programs, it is crucial to apply early and ensure that all required documents are submitted correctly. Scholarship opportunity. Tampere University offers several scholarship opportunities for international students to help reduce tuition costs. The Tampere University Scholarships Program provides full or partial tuition fee waivers for outstanding students applying for master's programs. These scholarships are merit-based and are awarded to students with excellent academic performance and a strong motivation for studying at Tampere University. Additionally, the Finland Scholarship, funded by the Finnish government, covers the first-year tuition fee and provides a €5,000 relocation grant for non-EU, EEA students. To increase the chances of winning a scholarship, applicants should ensure they have a strong academic record, a well-written motivation letter, and clearly demonstrate their achievements and future career goals in their application. Scholarships are awarded at the time of admission, so students do not need to apply separately. Simply selecting the scholarship option in the application form is enough to be considered. Why to choose Tampere University? There are many reasons why students choose Tampere University. Finland's education system is ranked among the best in the world, and Tampere University maintains a high academic standard with innovative teaching methods. It offers affordable tuition fees and scholarship opportunities, making it an attractive option for international students. The university's strong focus on research and technology opens doors to exciting career opportunities, particularly in fields like AI, engineering, and business management. Additionally, the city of Tampere is one of the most student-friendly places in Finland, offering affordable living costs, excellent public transport, and a vibrant social scene. With all these advantages, Tampere University is an excellent choice for students looking to pursue higher education in Finland.